Check out this specialty Mustang here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a beauty. It's a 2023 Shelby Super Snake Speedster convertible. And listen to this. Only 57.5 miles on it at the moment. This is Shelby serialization number 293. One of 98 Speedster convertibles produced in 2023. 825 plus flywheel horsepower coming out of that supercharged or Whipple charged 5-liter V8 underneath the hood. It's paired up with a 10-speed automatic transmission with paddle shift. Take a look at this front fascia, chin spoiler. Finished off in shadow black with ebony leather power seats. Take your time looking through the still pictures in this one. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. It's riding on the 20-inch forged aluminum wheels. Up front, 6-piston calipers. Those big slotted rotors. And yes, this car looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos. It's like new with that low miles on it. Now, I won't be able to hit all the options this car has, modifications. Check out our still pictures. You're going to be able to see the window sticker from Ford. You'll also be able to see the window sticker from Shelby. So you know exactly how this car is equipped. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, you can see I have the Speedster tops on there. And at the end of the video, I'll get the top up. It's a black cloth top, so we'll take a look at that also. What a great looking car with that 2-seat look to it. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. It will have everything you'd expect to come with this car, as if it was brand new. Absolutely stunning car in person. We'll start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. Take your time looking through those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. You notice it does have the black vinyl full body racing stripes up over the Speedster's top and the hood. Variable exhaust. I mean, there's just too much dimension on this, so check out those window stickers. Again, the Ford window sticker and the Shelby window sticker. This car will definitely turn some heads and get up and go. All right. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There's your exact miles, 57.5. Still all the plastic on the gauges. There's your sequential number, 293. Of course, heated and ventilated seats. Climate control. That 10-speed automatic, the tap shift up here, steering wheel controls, all your information, the dash. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. This cars also sound incredible under throttle. Nice little deep throaty exhaust note. Great sounding car. All right, let me slip up to the front. I want to get this hood popped real quick, and we'll check out the engine bay. I'll get that convertible top up, check out the condition of that. We'll wrap up this walk around video here. All right, hood propped. Underside of the hood, yes, like new. There it is. Again, 825 plus flywheel horsepower, that polished Whipple charger. No modifications underneath there after Shelby, let's put it that way. Obviously all of Shelby's modifications, but nothing done to it after it has left Shelby. It's a beauty, folks. All right, let me get this buttoned up and get that convertible top up. Take a peek at that. Like I said, we'll wrap up this walk around video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Let's take a quick look at this top. So black fabric, convertible top, obviously power functions as it should. Nice tight fit above the windshield. I also wanted to roll this glass up so you can see it does have tinted windows. So know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of the window tint, darkness you can have on the side glass. Obviously going to be in very nice shape in a car with 57 miles. Glass rear window, also tinted, rear defog, and around here on the passenger side. So no rips, tears, holes, really any sort of wear at all. Again, what you'd expect on a beautiful low mile car. 2023 Shelby Super Snake. Serial number 293 from Shelby. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.